So hi guys, yeah, I've basically been trying to do my desk for a while. I've actually managed to get it all, well, so far how I want it. There are a few things I still need to do. So up here I've got all my books, I've got my business plans in here, and then in this one it's just notepads and note stuff, and then this one here is just basically well, a couple of those actually are to do with when I list my jewellery on the shop. I write down everything and basically how much, because I'm going to be using Folksy, so they have a fee, 6% of every transaction. So I've basically been putting all my bits and bobs in there, so won't go into too much of that. But yeah, so basically what I do, I have these little boxes on this shelf. What I do is as you can see, when I've made the jewellery, I put it in this photography box. And then when I've taken the photos, I then put into the listing box. And then when I've listed it on the shop, I take them out of there. And then I put into the bracelets go into this one. Sorry about the camera. I've just bought myself a new selfie stick, so I'm just trying to get used to it. And then the necklaces go into this one. So they're all ready for selling. And then this one is my packaging drawer. So I've got in there my labels, my sticky labels, my bags, material, and also my thank you cards as well. So that's all in that box. My tape measures in that one, and then in there I don't think there's anything in that one. And my glasses case. So yeah, we have a few bits sort of hung up. Later on, I want to be selling sort of vintage stuff and some jewellery that I find from charity shops that are actually in really good condition, like this one. So yeah, it's really good. So and then I have my tools, which is, I'm sorry, is a bit of Boswell's. Yeah, my coffee card. But yeah, so everything is coming together. I do have my PC set up, which I've been using every day. And I have my boxes down there, which are seed beads and to-do box, and the one at the bottom, and the one at the bottom there is basically just bits and bobs. So as I said, I haven't been living here that long, so I've been trying to get, as you can see, there's bits and bobs still to sort out, and the clock. So, and I've just bought a new carpet cleaner, so that's the box for it. So I've got to find somewhere to put that now. So yeah, and the chair, and yeah, so basically these boxes are double-sided, are actually really useful, but I will do a video on those soon, to show you how they work. And then obviously I've just got like a bits of bobs in there, and then I bought this off Temu. It's like a little stand for earrings, which is really handy. So I used it for photography, and also to make sure that the earrings are the same length as well, which is really handy. And then recently I just put up a whiteboard. Oh yeah, my dog has the vets at 3:15 on Thursday. So yeah, so it's just handy to have that up there to put little notes on. And so yeah, and there's my desk fan, which I got from B&M, which is really good. So, and the other thing that I bought from Temu was $5.99, and it was this, I don't know what you call it. It's like a selfie. You can put your phone on here, and it sort of leans against the bar here. You can put your phone on, and so you can maybe do some work, and it sort of angle poises over what you're doing. It's quite useful, and it's got a weight at the bottom, which is really good. So for the price, it's really handy. So yeah guys, so that's about it for now. So yeah, I'm going to sort of maybe tidy up a little bit more, so that I've got everything sorted. That there is a box of stuff. There's beads and my bead mat and all sorts of things in there, my colouring books. So there's all sorts of things there I need to sort out, which maybe I can do on another video, or just literally just take it off my desk so it's not on there. So the point of the desk is probably to just work from here on the PC, and then work this side of the desk because then I have my drawers here. But later on I'll probably get a more comfortable chair. I'll probably get like an office chair, so I can kind of wheel across to here and then back again. So, but yeah, so that's it basically. And yeah, I just thought I'd show you what I've been up to. I'm sorry I haven't been on for a while. I haven't been well. You'll probably hear my voice actually. I'm kind of out of breath all the time, so I am struggling a little bit. So what I'll do is my next video, I was hoping to either tidy the desk up a bit more, show you the actual boxes of what's in them. They are really handy, and yeah, just go from there. I will try and upload every week. If I can't, it'll be every 2 weeks, but I will try my hardest to upload a bit more often. But I do need to sort this area because it's absolute chaos. But I know where everything is, and I have so many pens. I don't understand why I need so many pens, but I suppose pens are like gold dust, so yeah, they can stay there for now. And I have a few packs of beads and bits and bobs in there, so yeah, all needs sorting. So maybe I can do that with you guys and sort it out properly. But yeah, okay, thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Okay, bye.